prophecy has come to pass. Customers can now use their palms to pay for groceries at Whole Foods. Now, when I first saw this, I was like, what kind of rich craft is this? And I was like immediately thinking, okay, now they want us to put chips in our hands and the mark of the beast. But then I looked at it and the technology is fairly simple and straightforward. You put your debit, your credit card in there. It takes about 2 minutes. You set it up, and the whole idea is once you scan your hand, similar to like face recognition software on your iPhone, every time you go to checkout, all you have to do on the option screen is choose Amazon One, scan your hand, and walk out with your groceries. So they do have a terms of service that we're gonna link in the comments. Not an attorney, scanned, looked through it, didn't see anything that was out of the ordinary. Some of the takeaways that I did see is that if you delete your account, it deletes all of your information, including your handprint, everything. But for me, I'm excited to be able to quickly step in and out of the supermarket with my items and not have to take out my phone or my wallet. So that's a win for me. So if you have it in your store, in your local Whole Foods, leave us a message in the comments. Let us know what you think. And if you are not interested, I also want to hear your thoughts. So drop it in the comments.